Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I love corn on the cob like this, especially in summer. I want to show you how I cook the corn. Boiling water, a dash of salt in there, and then I drop my corn in. I wait until it comes back to a boil, one way. The second way here, the corn are all wet here. I cut it so that I get a little bit of the end of the cob here, and that goes into, it's all wet, that goes into the microwave oven 5 minutes too. Now it's back to a boil, cover it, and shut it off. 5 minutes, that's it. Okay, here is my corn one way. I like the corn just like this. This one here, hold the end of it, and push it out. The thing just slide out. And now for me, the best way of eating corn is having a piece of bread like this, kind of baguette, slathered with butter. Salt. I do usually half of the corn, and rub it on this. And that's it. Okay. This is really summer and delicious. Happy cooking.